In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how looping works. I have a player number question here, and I'd like to ask this question for each item in a list. So for each player, I want to ask the player number. If you look in my lists area, I have created a name list with the list of 5 names. These are all the names of the players. In order to associate a loop with this question and to ask this question for each player, I'm going to need to set up looping for it. So I click on the looping button, click add, I'm going to make a new loop, just name it there, and I'm going to choose the name list. I then have to specify which questions the loop will loop over. In this example, it's just going to loop over one question, but it can be over several questions across several pages. Also, I want to show you that inside this numeric question, I'm using an SSI script function, loop label. This will just show basically the name of the player or the list value, or sorry, list label for each item in the list. Here as it goes around in the loop. So let's run it and see how it works. So you can see the first name in the list came up for this numeric question, asking what Jack's number is. Then I'm going to ask about Sally's number, etc. And the question just keeps looping until this question's been asked for each item in the list. Then let's look at what the data looks like. As you can see, this dot notation for the first iteration of the loop, the answer was 23. For the second iteration of the loop, for the second list item, the answer was 25. This concludes this video tutorial on looping.